Hello everyone. So today we'll learn how to know how to do the half consonant sounds. So we have a topic of half consonant sounds. So it has two variation. One is called as vertical conjunction and what is called as horizontal conjunction. Okay. So let's learn first vertical conjunction. So conjunction is nothing but when two letters put together for different sound, it is called conjunction. So let's learn what is vertical conjunction. Vertical conjunction is used for the letter which do not have vertical line in it. For example, k, k, g, gh. This has vertical line in it. But consonants like t, th, d, dh, the doesn't have vertical line in it. So this rule applies to the consonant which does not have vertical line in it. So how to do the halving of the consonant? So if you want to do the half sounding and the consonant sign is denoted by putting a slash below the consonant, which consonant you want a half sounding, you just have to put a slanting line below that consonant. Okay, so when you want half sounding in this type of letter, just add a line below it. Okay, so the pronunciation of the half consonant will attach to the before consonant. Like chew, this is chew, right? So the half consonant is t. So you just remove the so it will be chut t. So whenever you want an half consonant sounding, you attach to the before one and you spell it like chut t. So the half letter pronunciation will go with the before consonant, like khatta, khatta, or mid-ta, sweet and sour. Okay, this is called vertical conjunction. Let's learn horizontal conjunction. Horizontal conjunction is used for the letter which has a vertical line. I have already told k, kh, g, gh, ch, ch, and all, and many of it. So you have to remove the vertical line and attach to the after consonant like this. When you want to half the sound in this type of the letter, half the letter and attach it to the after letter. So while writing, you have to attach it on the after letter, but while pronunciation, you have to pronounce it as namas. The sir, half sir will be like this, and namaste like this. So the sounding should be attached to the before one. So namaste. So for example, if I say acha, acha, like pyara. So here there is no before letter, so you have to take P, not A, P, Y, A. So pya. Okay, there is an exception as well. So horizontal conjunction has an exception of k and fo. So in k and fo we do not eliminate the line here, but we just kind of like attach it to the next letter. K, like this. Written differently, get attached to the next one. This is called vertical conjunction. This next one. So in vertical conjunction, it can be written in two ways. Chitti can be written as like the half one will go above and the full one will go below. This is just a way of writing it differently. Okay. Next one, conjunct with r. So there are actually three types of conjunct with r. So when r comes as a first consonant, so this is half r and full v. So you put kind of this sign to make a half r pronunciation in the beginning. So always the half letter will go to the below consonant. Half letter sound pronunciation will go to the below letter. So it will be parva, parva. So this will be karma. This will be dharma. Type type 1 is different and type 2 and type 3 is different. Type 2 and type 3 is similar. It's just one is for vertical lines and second is for non-vertical lines. So how you do for vertical lines when the consonant is half and the r is full. So you kind of make a like a slash onto a vertical line like this. So when the first consonant is half and the r is full, add a line across the line. This is applicable only from the letter which has vertical lines. For example, Brahma, delusion. Brahma. So this is my name, Pratibha. So it's half consonant plus full r. So that's how it becomes pra. So if I say prakash, half consonant, full r. So prakash. Okay. So type 3 is nothing but it's for non-vertical consonant. You just have to make a upside down V below the consonant. So basically this rule is for only for the English words. So you can see this is truck. So half consonant, full r. Half consonant, full r. So this is half consonant, full r, but there is a train. Okay. So this is how you make a conjuncts with r as well.